What the fuck? Oh my god. It's on the runway. We're not getting it.
Flight comes up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's going to pull up, isn't it?
I can't see it. We're not going to Well, at least he got out of the jet. The fighter jet just crashed on the fighter jet. Just crashed on Oh my god. Whoa. Yeah, the guy's out. Yeah. He just ran across the thing. He must have to make a really standing. How did I not see it? How did I see it? I just saw a fucking fireball when I looked out the window. I saw it crash. I saw it go past and it had like a little wind catch thing. Yeah. We're not doing it. That's really good.
Give you what I want, Where's WhatsApp?
No, a fighter jet just crashed on the runway. Yeah, on the runway. Well, no.